In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the transformation rules. So we're going to be applying all the rules for rotation, translations, and reflections to determine, once we're given the pre-image and the image, we're going to determine which type of transformation is being used based off of the rules that we've already studied. So what we've got in black is the pre-image, and we know that the blue figure is our image because we've got the prime symbols for each one of the vertices. So to get from, you could just choose any coordinate, say x. To get from the top, from x to x prime, we have to go down. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So it is clearly a translation because the image and the pre-image, they're both oriented the exact same. So first, let's go left or right. To get from the pre-image to the image, we're going to the left. So we're going to be subtracting from the x coordinate. And we're going to go to the left 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So x minus 4 for the x coordinate. Then to get from x to x prime, we have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So we're going to subtract 4 from the y coordinate also. Here we have the pre-image in black and the image in blue. So the black image is it's a reflection of the blue image. So that tells us that this is a reflection. It's a mirror image of the blue quadrilateral. And the line of reflection is the x-axis. So we refer to our notes to determine what the rule is for reflection across the x-axis. And what we do is we leave the x-coordinate alone and just change the sign of the y-coordinate. Next, we've got the black triangle, the pre-image in the fourth quadrant, the image, the blue triangle in the third quadrant. And we can see that the vertices are not oriented the same, so it's not going to be a translation. And there's no line that we can draw where the pre-image would be a mirror image of the image. So it's not going to be a reflection, it must be a rotation. So it looks like to get from the fourth quadrant to the third quadrant, we have to rotate 90 degrees. So if we rotate that pre-image 90 degrees clockwise, we will actually get the blue image. And the rules for a 90-degree clockwise rotation is change the sign of the x coordinate of the pre-image and then switch the x and y coordinates. Lastly, we have our pre-image in black, image in blue, and again they are oriented differently, and so it's not going to be a translation. It appears that it could be a reflection, but if we drew a line, the line y equals x, you can see that the vertices are not mirror images of each other. So it's not a reflection, it's actually going to be a 180-degree rotation. So if we rotate an object 180 degrees, the rule that we use is just changing the sign of the x and the y coordinate.